Downloading data on Yahoo Finance is actually fairly straightforward. Let's say we want to get data for the S&P 500. You can just simply click on the S&P 500 on the Yahoo Finance homepage, or we could also type in the ticker. Next, we'll like to access the data by clicking on the Historical Data tab. Once historical data is presented, we can then identify the time period, that is the duration of how big of a large of a window we want to assess, and then what type of prices we're interested in. In this case, let's do 5 years of data. Since today is the trading day isn't over, we'll use the prior day, the 26th, and we're going to go back to 14. Next, we'll hit Done. Next, we can access historical prices, dividends only, or stock splits. In this case, we're interested in historical prices, and we want like a frequency of daily. We could also select weekly. The next important step to ensure that we're actually getting 5 years of data rather than the default one is to click Apply. You'll notice that there's a quick update, and the next we click Download Data. Once we select Download Data, Yahoo Finance will present us with an Excel file, which is actually a comma-separated file, so it's a data file that looks like Excel. We'll open it up and inspect the data. Typically, these files are loaded where the date is from oldest to newest. So we can see that we start on August 26th of 2014. To change this, we're going to select all of the rows or columns of data, go to the Sort filter, select Custom Sort. We click this little checkbox that says My Data Has Headers. The headers is the way of telling Excel your top row is full of variable names. We're going to sort by date, and we're going to select newest to oldest. We don't need the volume information, and in this case we only need the adjusted close. So now we have our price data. Some of you may be asking, what's the difference between close and adjusted close? Adjusted close accounts for splits, if any have occurred, as well as dividend payments. If we now want to calculate daily returns, we would simply enter =, natural log of today divided by the prior day, and now we have our daily return.